everybody, how was my previous video on Vedic Maths Trick? I think all of you learned multiplication of any number by 11. Today I am going to tell you one easy way of finding squares of numbers ending in 5. What is 25 square? For finding 25 square, you have any trick? Can you do within 1 minute? I will tell you the answer. The answer is 625. Did you know how to find this answer? Okay, I will explain in detail. We know 25 square is equal to 25 multiplied by 25. For finding this answer very fastly, I am going to divide the answer part into two. The first part and the last part. First I am going to do the last part. Okay, we know in 25 the first digit is 2 and the last digit is 5. First I am going to take the last digit 5 and 5. We know 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. This is our last part. For finding the first part, what I am going to do is I am going to take the first digit 2 and multiply this 2 with the 2 plus 1. This I am going to take 1 and add with this number, that is 2 plus 1. We know 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. This is our first part. So the last part is 25. So you will get 625 as the answer. Now what is 35 square? For finding 35 square also we can use the same trick. The last part of the answer is 25. For finding the first part, we know we have to multiply 3 and 3 plus 1 4. That is, we have to multiply 3 and 4. That is 3 multiplied by 4. We know 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. The last part is 25. So we can say the answer is 1225. For finding 45 square, what we will do? The steps are same. For finding the last part, that is 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. For finding the first part, you have to multiply 4 and 4 plus 1 5. That is 4 multiplied by 5. That is the first part of the answer is 20 and the last part will be 25. So 2025. Very easily you will get this answer. Next one, what is 55 square? For finding 55 square also we want to apply the same trick. The first digit is 5, then 5 plus 1 is 6. That you have to multiply and you will get 30. The last part is always 25. For finding the first part, what we want to do? We want to multiply 5 with the next number. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So we will get 3025. Okay. Now what is 105 square? Here also, for finding the first part, we want to take the first digits 1 and 0, that is 10. We have to take the first number as 10. Okay, 10, because we don't want to consider this 5 first. First you have to take this 10. 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. So you have to multiply 10 and 11. And the last part is 25. Okay, no, you know 11 multiplied by 10 is 110. Then the next number 25. So 11,025 is our answer. Try this. 65 square. What is 65 square? Find the answer and write it in our comment box. Okay. Now what is 75 square? 75 square. Find the answer and write it in the comment box. Even though if you watch this video, you have to practice, otherwise you will forget all these ideas. Actually these all ideas you can use in higher grades, in higher classes especially. It is very useful for grade 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Especially when you are going to grade 10, we know in grade 10 it is very important grade for you, and you want to do a lot of calculation. If you are multiplying in usual multiplication method, most of the time you will get so many that is you will get so many difficulty, that is you are wasting most of the time, your time will lose, and you cannot complete your examination within a time limit. So I am telling again and again, practice more and more. Thank you for watching.